In this video, I'll show you how to back up your WordPress site. You need to buy and install Backup Creator plugin. Go to Backup Creator at backupcreator.com. To buy and download the Backup Creator plugin, log into your WordPress site. Go to Plugins. Add a new. Upload. Browse. Click on Backup Creator and open. Install now and activate plugin. Go to Backup Creator settings. Enter your Backup Creator key and email and click Save Backup Creator key. Click Backup this site. OK. Right-click on Backup Creator Installer. Save link as and save it. That's it. All you need to do now is driving traffic to your website and building your list. Thank you very much.